Hi guys, our noodle buddy Siddesh wants to know about the hype concerning Tom Yum shrimp creamy noodles. I didn't know there was a hype, but if these noodles are any good, I'll definitely help build it.
Today's main color is shrimp. I mean pink. My shirt is pink, my tie is pink, even my chopsticks and holder are pink. They say chopstick holders are for people who struggle to hold it together. I asked my therapist about this. She suggested I should simply learn to let go. The reason why everything is pink is to remind you that eating raw shrimp is dangerous. Raw shrimp can come with a very hiply named bacteria called Vibrio. Vibrio can cause a very unhip affliction called food poisoning. To thwart this elongated stomach clutch, simply cook or bake shrimp until it has changed color from white to, exactly, pink. Can you think of an animal whose pink color is also related to shrimp? We will reveal that fun fact in a little bit. I'm trying out a new bowl that does not fully fit the noodle block. What I'm going to do is considered upsetting for some noodle enthusiasts, so viewer discretion is advised. The plus side here is that I can nibble on some noodle crumbs, and honestly, just jumping down on these noodles would be a great snack, like a savory cracker that needs no topping. The spices, despite containing shrimp, are not looking pink but yellow, thanks to some chili powder and caramel coloring. There's also mention of milk powder, which validates the term creamy, although real Tom Yum is made with coconut milk and not cow's milk. Moving on to the oil that adds some appreciated fat, more chili, and a few spices that remain nameless. I measured exactly 300 milliliters of hot water, and while we occasionally uncover and stir for 3 minutes, let me reveal to you that the flamingo is in fact a white bird. The flamingo binges on shrimp, but that's only part of the explanation why they are pink. Since wild flamingos do not have kitchens, they eat their shrimp raw, in its white form. However, the aforementioned shrimp binges on a certain algae that contains an orange pigment called keratin. This pigment is very persistent and is responsible for the orange and pink shades of the feathers, eyes and nostrils of the flamingo. The same thing can happen to humans too, when binging on carrots. So don't do that, unless you want to look like a flamingo.
You all remember Mama seafood in a cup. This is nothing like that. This Tom Yum creamy shrimp noodles are very tasty, very pleasant to eat. The noodles have a nice bite, they have a nice flavor of themselves. And the soup is a little shrimpy, but not too much. It's hot, it's sour, it's pretty spicy, which I like. So these noodles are very enjoyable. If I were to rate them, and I will, I would give them 4 out of 5 chopsticks, which is very good. They could deserve 1 more chopstick by making it a little more creamy, but that doesn't matter, these noodles are very enjoyable. Now maybe you have a very different opinion about these noodles, or you have a suggestion, then please leave those in the comments below. And maybe you don't like noodles at all, but you still like this video, then go ahead and click like and subscribe, so that we'll see each other again when we unbox some more noodles.